Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to clear content in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheets and here you can see I have a data. To clear content, simply select the data. You just drag with the mouse and select your data. And to clear this content, just press the backspace key of the keyboard and that's it. Your content is cleared. Again, I use here the Ctrl Z, the undo the action. And the second way, simply select the data, then go to the edit option and click on the delete option, then click on the values. And that's it. Here the second way you can clear the content. Again, I use the Ctrl Z, the undo the action. Now I'm going to clear formatting. Same as simply select the data, then go to the format tab. And here the last option, the clear formatting. Just click on it and that's it. Here you can see the data, selected data formatting is clear. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.